my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review of a 1/18 scale Maisto 1967 Ford Mustang GTA Fastback. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. See, got the special edition badging on there. Car is nicely packaged up with ribbons or straps holding down the hood, holding closed the door, as well as the trunk lid, just to make sure everything stays properly in its place during shipping. See, there we go. You can see some of the other different products that they sell there on the back. So, as you can see there, die-cast metal with plastic parts, opening doors and parts, adjustable front wheels, workable steering, independent spring suspension for wheels. There you've got all the different brands that Maisto offers die-cast models of. Got the different brands there, so Audi, Citroen, Ford, GM, Jeep, Lamborghini, Nissan, Shelby American. Now that we've got a look at the box, let's go ahead and get this unboxed and take a look at the actual diecast itself. Now that we've got it out of the box, let's go ahead and take a look at the Mustang. Before we do that though, as you can see, it was held in by two screws which went into the underside of the Mustang, holding it into the packaging versus using like a plastic cradle. Got a nice paint job on here. Detailed front end there with the headlights and the Mustang logo. Got the GTA stripe on the side there, along with the chrome rocker panel. Got the, since it's the fastback, got the slow ball all the way back. Mustang with the taillights there. You get the dual exhausts, the reverse lights. The 67 Mustang with the fastback is a very, very sharp looking vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood here. So under the hood, it's got the 390 high-performance engine, the decently detailed engine bay there, the battery and radiator, got the engine with hoses and the air cleaner. It's pretty decently detailed, better than some of the other ones I have. Got the two hood scoops there. Let's open the driver's side door and take a look inside. So this one has the automatic transmission on it, so it's just got the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal. You can see the gauge cluster there. The steering wheel has the Mustang emblem on the center horn button. Rear view mirror. Let's take a look into the back seat here. The seats on this are not positionable or movable. They're fixed in their spot, but Very detailed, pretty detailed interior there. Let's see if we can look at the door panel. Let's take a look in the trunk area here. Doesn't open very far, so you can't quite tell. But there's a spare tire in the trunk. Spare tire is just molded into it. It does not come out. Let's take a look in the passenger door here. Nicely molded transmission shifter there and center stack. Got the Ford blue oval there on the door sills. It's on both sides. So let's go ahead and take a look at the underside here of the Mustang. As you can see there in the lettering is 1967 Ford Mustang GTA 1/18 scale, produced by Maisto. You can see there their website. And you look at the production number there. So 12003. So it does have the positionable front wheels. Got the chrome exhaust going back. It's got a pretty decently detailed undercarriage here on the Mustang. The chrome transmission pan there. The bell housing for the engine. Transmission mounting. The wheels do have spring function to them a little bit. See on the rear as well. So this is a nicely done display piece here for if you're a Ford Mustang fan, especially a fan of the 67 Fastback. Make a great addition to your collection for displaying. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for future content, more Diecast reviews.